So one of the big changes for me for science notebooks was I used to be very structured in the way that I do science notebooks, where students would kind of write down the same things. And since NGSS, I've really changed the way that I look at notebooks. I really feel like it's a tool for my students. I do not do notebook checks ever. The only notebook check I do is the over-the-shoulder notebook check. Students are responsible for maintaining their notebooks and they get to use it on assessments. The idea is that I do a table of contents so that we can communicate about what is happening within the notebook or where we can find things for certain investigations we've done, but how they represent those things in their notebook is up to them. And so, for instance, maybe we're looking at the SEPs and CCCs. Everyone would have those on page 7 and page 8. But most of the time, I'm not giving very many worksheets. Students are actually maintaining things themselves and drawing them themselves in the way that makes sense to them. I limit the number of worksheets that I provide. It's only when I really want something to be like this, where it's a consensus and we want everyone to be working from the same place, or expectations, or formatting, like things where the student is learning, okay, this is how we're going to communicate all as a class, so that when we go to model, we can all communicate in the same way.